In a village surrounded by hills, there was a kind-hearted girl named Maya. She helped everyone around her. She spent her days assisting neighbors, tending to animals, and supporting her family. But in her giving nature, Maya often forgot to care for herself. One day, a wise sage came to the village. People said he knew secrets about life from ancient times and traveled the world to learn. Curious, Maya went to seek advice from the sage. Under an old tree's shade, Maya shared her worries with the sage. She talked about always helping others but forgetting to care for herself. The sage listened attentively and then handed Maya a small polished mirror. "Look into this mirror, dear Maya, and tell me what you see." Looking in the mirror, Maya saw her reflection amid the people she had helped. But she also noticed a faint image of herself, appearing teary, a weary smile. Amidst helping others, Maya realized she had neglected her own well-being. The sage nodded knowingly. "You see, Maya, love for others is noble, but love for oneself is equally important. Imagine yourself as a tree. You give shade and fruits to others, but if you don't nourish your roots, the tree weakens." Maya pondered the sage's words deeply. She realized that to truly help others, she needed to care for herself first. She began taking breaks, spending time in nature, and pursuing activities she loved. Years passed, and Maya grew older, but her spirit remained youthful and vibrant. She became a source of wisdom, sharing the sage's teachings with younger villagers. The lesson from the sage's mirror stayed with Maya her entire life. To care for others deeply, first nourish your own soul.